gents. Sorry, we're in a customer vehicle right now.
Yeah.
Just put, it's a 6.0 Powerstroke. Just put brand new heads, O-ringed heads, studded, new turbo, water pump, H-pop, ICP, IPR. What else did we do? Fuel pump, a bunch of other stuff, right? And we're doing test drives right now, and honestly, it started up really good for sitting for a little bit while we ate lunch. Super big video right now. This is a very big video for us.
All right, so we have noticed that you guys are having a problem, and on our end, transferring your guys' address, your guys' email, phone number, all over to shipping out your limited edition t-shirt for Kilo. Now, we have made that way easier. Brian's been working on it all day, and I think it is killer. So check this out. So you go to Google, type in crude diesel .shop, hit enter, boom, website pops up. We've got the immaculate Kilo himself in its greatest forms. Look at that. Look at that interior. Look at the engine bay. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Now, on top of that, we have just released a brand new t-shirt design, limited edition. It's only going to last for 2 weeks. So I'd be buying all the tickets that you can. So we set it up to where, say you want a large t-shirt, boom, it's $40, just like it has been on Raffle Creator. But I think, you know, for people that may think that it's unsafe, Raffle Creator is unsafe or whatever, so we made it this way so you guys feel a lot more safer buying tickets and getting entered to win this badass truck, because honestly, this is probably my favorite truck and the most fun that I've had in a truck ever. Like, ever. So, anyways, let's go back down to just explaining it. So, a large t-shirt, 1 ticket, okay, same as on the Raffle Creator, it's $40, or you can go ahead and add however many tickets you want, and from 5,000 to 250,000 tickets. Of course, it is 100 times multiplier right now, which is our largest multiplier yet. So, and on top of that, say, you know, you buy, we also have the hoodie in stock for it. So the same design on the hoodie. Say you buy a hoodie and you buy yourself a t-shirt and you're like, damn, like I really want this truck, which I mean, that's how I would be. And I want some more entries, but I don't want to buy another t-shirt because I already got one. So we made an option over here for extra tickets, better your chances. Boom, you can buy 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, all the way up to, again, 20 or 250,000 tickets. So, this is absolutely killer. Brian, you did a really good job. I appreciate you for making this, and I'm sure everybody else is going to appreciate you for making this. So, there's only one thing left, and that's to go to the website, get your tickets, and get this badass shirt so you can have the chance to have your name on the back of that title.
As you know, people that have been watching me for a little bit, and also today, for some reason, I was trying to film like TikToks and whatnot this morning, but I cannot talk today. I don't know why, but I'm like jumbling my words. It is bad today, really bad. Anywho, super big video, and as you guys know, you guys seen a YouTube video about me spending thousands of dollars on a shop at the beginning of this year.
Way back then.
Actually, not the beginning of this year, beginning of last year. Scammer shit happened, and I got screwed out of that entire deal. Well, we found a shop. I don't have to do anything to it other than move my shit in there and make it even better than what it is right now. But bro, it is sick. It is
gorgeous.
A very nice shop. It's a 41 by 51 shop, has 3 massive fucking doors, like 12-foot wide doors. He just sent me the address I need to go to. It's Lead Rentals, so I can go and pay her. And guy's super nice, super good guy. So like for signage and everything, it's gonna cost me $2,500 for 3 signs, and upon everything else that I gotta spend money on. So he was like, I'll take a little bit of money off of the rent for the first 2 months to help with startup fees. So yeah, we're getting a shop.
What a guy.
We are getting a freaking shop, and it's right by I-44. You can actually see the shop from I-44. So whoever is passing by Lebanon, look for my signs. You'll probably see them. He just said, I said, okay, perfect. I said, so if we start to rent, say the first of the month, right? Would I be able to start moving in these next 2 weeks so I can be set up and ready to go by the 1st? Would you care, right? Because I don't want to, I mean, if I had to pay for 2 weeks worth of rent, half a month to like have keys and go in there and move it. He was like, yes, sir, I'm good with that. So we don't have to do, we'll just start renting the 1st of the, what is April, May? So we'll start renting the 1st of May. Start renting, and yeah, let's get some shit moved in there. this is super exciting news, and I can't wait for you guys to see the shop. It's gonna be a little bit before we're gonna do some shopping and whatnot. I'm gonna get new brooms, bro, because I'm super excited. Get some new brooms in there. We're gonna get some new stuff. I gotta go. I'm gonna build not a welding table, but like a big, massive metal table. So we'll have to go up to Wheeler Metals up in Springfield, bring the trailer, get like a big sheet of fucking, I don't know, 1/4 inch or 5/16 whatever plate steel, and then a bunch of angle. We got a lot of stuff.
We're gonna be real busy, man.
We're gonna be spending a lot of money.
There's gonna be some good content, so y'all be ready.
Since we're gonna be spending a lot of money, go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe button, and comment, because we need to fund this, man. There's the address to the shop. Now we gotta go to Laclede Electric and go get the electric put in my name, so I can start. So I have lights at least. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we kind of need electricity there.
Yeah, lights. Oh, it's. I give you guys a little treat. It has AC and it has heat. I think I already told them. Two of the 3 doors are power,
and then one is manual.
One is manual, which I don't really care. I mean,
has a bathroom, has a big old trans table.
It has a trans table. I'm gonna have to buy a bunch of shit, bro. Like, there's so much shit I gotta buy. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Luckily, he told me I can use these next 2 weeks to start moving in. I don't have to pay rent this month, like half a rent or something.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna start paying. I'm gonna go get her cash right now. He's gonna wipe out my bank account, bro. Just in rent. No, I'm just kidding. I'm excited. I'm nervous as though. It's always scary making a commitment like this.
Oh yeah. This is a big leap.
I'm gonna pull out some cash. Bunch of shit I gotta buy. I gotta go buy a lift. Anywho, let's go get electric put in our name. Let's get some cash out, and then we'll sign a lease. And I don't know if she has the keys. If she does have the keys, then today we'll go over to the shop and we'll go show you guys the shop, like the first look of it. If she doesn't have the keys and Tony still has the keys, then we'll just wait to meet up with him.
Yep.
But man, there's so much shit I gotta go through at my dad's shop.
A lot.
Hey, you know what they can't say? I'm building trucks in my dad's shop. This is my shop now, bitch. Huh? Oh, you building trucks in daddy's shop? Hell no, bro. What's up? I got my own shop now. Come get some diesel work done, bro. If you need some work done, I do phenomenal work. And it's not my daddy's shop, it's in my shop now. So we're legit. Also, we're still weighing some options. I still gotta talk to the landlord and see what land he owns and what land he doesn't. And then also, there's some cleared land across the street. If you guys can pick up what I'm putting down here, I'm really good friends with Blessed Performance. They have a dyno. We could do like an open house thing, right?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
So I think like an open house would be super cool to do. Like, have, shop merch that you guys can buy, and you guys can come out to the location and see what it's all about. Have some of our nice trucks parked inside, in the shop, and you guys can come look at it or whatever. Do like a little cookout. Go like old school with it, man. Just get a couple grills out there, cook some hot dogs and some burgers and shit, and have a dyno day, bro. Just put the dyno out there. Have you guys come horsepower. If you break it, just leave it at the shop. We'll send you a bill.
We'll fix it.
We'll fix it. You know what I mean? And then we'll send you a bill. Or if you don't make enough horsepower on the dyno, just go ahead and leave it. We'll get you hooked up.
Yeah, tell us the horsepower number. We'll get her done.
We'll send you the bill. You know what I mean? We'll get you taken care of. So I think it'd be really good.
We're just start messing with the website where we can sell turbos and all that stuff. Drop ship them.
Yes.
I'll start looking into that.
I do know, obviously, Matt at Blessed Performance, he's a genius on it. He's got a lot of trial and error on it. So I'm sure he wouldn't be upset or opposed to helping a guy out set something up like that, so we can actually put piping kits or 2G kits or fast fuel systems. I'm a dealer for fast fuel, and places like that. We can put parts on there for you guys to buy and order straight to my website, and then it'd be super cool. So bunch of big things, a lot of big things coming for you guys and for us. So stick around, and honestly, again, I'm gonna tell you, if you have not subscribed already, what the fuck are you doing? Because shit's about to get crazy. I told you 2025 is a big year. And we're on a second giveaway and bought a shop, and I'm pulling in to Laclede Electric to put the shit in my name. So I'll give you a little update once we get this thing in our name. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We got the 6.0 finished and dialed in. It took a couple extra parts, but we got it done. Customer's coming to come pick it up, so we'll be the first customer to pick it up here at this shop. Now we got a lot of stuff to be building. I don't know if you've noticed my handy dandy little tape measure here and sawdust on my hat, but and sawdust on my arms too. Look at that. I'm gonna start having a fucking termite infection here in a second. Let's go walk in and see what we're building. Come on, come with me. Come on. So
look at that shirt.
Yeah, I swear to God. So we've got. We could have went and bought some counter, but it wouldn't have fit the way we wanted it to. So we spent $700 in lumber and everything else to get this thing built.
Built, not bought.
Built, not bought. We built everything. I'm a carpenter now, not a mechanic. So when you first walk in, obviously this will be the waiting room or the little show casing room. We'll have, you know, t-shirts. We'll have like a futon and a desk with some cool knickknacks and pistons and shit like broken blocks or whatever. And then Jesus Christ. And then we'll have like a little rug and some like 3 stools, and we'll have the big counter here. And then you turn around right where you're standing, we'll have another counter here for like parts drop off or whatever else. So you can kind of see the gist of the front counter here. It's gonna be, I like my counters tall.
48 inches?
It'll be 4 foot to the top of the countertop. So it'd be super sick. I got a big CD sign. I'm gonna do backlighting on it and probably like mount it up here somewhere. Bunch of stuff coming. But we're just getting done with building this thing. This thing's kicking mine and my dad's ass with our little to none carpenter skills. You see, we've been doodling on this.
Okay, that's a pretty good drawing right there.
I drew this one. I was really proud. I was really proud of that one. But that one looks pretty good. My dad built that one. He drew that one. So yeah, it's gonna look really cool. Let's get it done. Enough yapping and let's get to freaking what is it, sawing? Or what Brian does is sawing all the time.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey.
Voila. Would you look at the final product? So over here we got the main counter. You come in, you order some shit. You're supposed to get, you know, your truck worked on, get it all figured out. And this is where you're gonna get that taken care of. Also, this is the money counter. So this is where you pay your bill too for us to work on it. We don't do handouts. We're not big enough, we're not rich enough just to sponsor a build. So do not ask, because as much as I would like to, I do not have the funds to sponsor your build. Anyways, I think it turned out pretty all right. We got a little futon. And I'm gonna put a sign up here that's gonna say, no sleeping, no naps, no resting your eyes, no looking at the back of your eyelids, Reaper Media. If I see you over here and you're not yapping, I'm gonna assume that you're napping. And we can't be having that, pal. We built, well, my dad built, I helped a little bit, Brian helped a little bit. This right here we'll put my trophies and some knickknacks and whatnot on here. And then we're gonna have this all, we'll have obviously merchandise in here. So we'll have t-shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, whatever we need. We'll have this all filled up. So when you come in and you get your truck worked on or whatever, you come in, buy a hoodie, buy a t-shirt, buy a long sleeve shirt, whatever you want, we'll have it here. Probably throw like a shamrock rug, or what is it? What do you call them? A little fuzzy rug, like super. I want it like shag carpet, like from the 70s. We'll put like a shag carpet in. No, I'm not doing that. We're not doing that. Behind Brian, in the middle of this front counter, we're gonna be doing my CD logo that's all lit up in the back. Be putting that on there. That'll look spicy. Window decal needs to get done. This is mainly just a parts counter. So we put this in here for parts. O'Reilly's can drop off parts, do what they need to do. And then we've got this so we can keep Brian out. People like Brian out, you know, just minions. We're gonna have employees only. So you can't come back here, pal. No, you can't. I don't care if your truck's back. You're not, not unless me or Brian opens the magic gate. The magic gates gets open, look, now you can come through. I know, I'm telling you, it's pretty sick. But the back of the desk is probably one of my favorites. It's super cool. It's lit up, all burnt and stained wood. Looks really good, I think. Brian's got his little section there for editing and doing what he's doing. You can see we got the boss's chair.
I want to give me a custom one that's better, but yeah.
Oh, my bad. As you can tell, it's a little dark in here, but we got that fixed because the lighting just came in. Actually, we need to go pick it up. So we're gonna have to go to the house and go get that because I didn't ship it here like an idiot.
But that does go on the next video.
That will be part of the next video. We've got a lift incoming. We've got some cabinets, some workbench tables. We've got lighting, a lot of lighting, some signage, and, you know, moving the tools over from Daddy's shop over to here, a bunch of stuff. So we'll be, also, if you want a fucking trash can, those things are $100.
And you got 2 of them.
Why? Why are they $100? I don't understand it. Why the hell is that $100? So you got $100, $100, $200, and then you got to pay for trash to come get it picked up at a dumpster for another $100 a month. Like, what the And don't forget, we have an 800 plus horsepower 3rd gen that we are currently giving away for one of you guys to be able to take home the keys and the title, scotch free. All you got to do is hit the link down below and get entered. Buy some tickets. You get a limited edition t-shirt. It's a win-win. At the end of the day, you don't walk away empty-handed. So, thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and get ready for the next video. See you later, bye.